explore this beautiful
city of Ustron.
Go with me!
Real winter has come to the city of Ustron. In the video you can watch what the city looks like in winter before Christmas. This is a real winter fairy tale in the Polish city of Ustron.
Don't forget to check the subscription to my channel and click on the bell so you don't miss my new next video.
Now we are walking in the city center and visiting the fair near the central Christmas tree. Here you can buy souvenirs and handicrafts. Of course, if we are in Ustron, we visit the Wisla River. This is one of the most favorite places in the city. Tourists and locals come here. These are ducks that stayed in the winter on the Wisla River. People come and feed the ducks. Snow brought to the city a fabulous atmosphere of a winter wonderful fairy tale. There are several well-known supermarkets in the city for any choice. You can watch all this in video. We continue to walk the streets of the town and enjoy the winter weather. The city is located in the mountains. If you like winter recreation and tourism, be sure to come to this cozy town. also meet mountain dwellers with goats, deer, often seen in the mountains. Christmas is coming soon, and the city is decorated with festival lights and a local beauty Christmas tree.
Thanks to everyone who watched the video to the end.